Whoa, how much is this?
$2 plus an extra 10 for the missing keys.
Okay, I'll take it.
Before you go, I only accept quarters. You have a good day, sir.
You too. Hey, I don't remember putting you there. Oh well. Hey guys, do you guys want to see my new typewriter? Yeah, I know, we can finally finish that epic story that I was planning on writing. Alright. Okay. I'll see you there. Bye. Hey guys, check out my cool new typewriter.
Hey man, that's a sick typewriter. Respect.
Thanks for your approval, Kian. Now what do you think, Julia?
I like it a lot. That's one cool typewriter. I wish my mom let me own antiques.
Julia, keep up with the times. None of us listen to our parents anymore.
It's true. Now let's get started on this action fantasy novel.
Oh, sorry, Liam. My mom just called me for dinner. I have to go before she burns my wardrobe.
All right, Julia. Bye. Maybe
Bye.
we can chill later.
What's this doing here?
Hey man, where's Julia? She's normally really early for school.
I don't know, she wasn't answering her phone.
Well, it doesn't matter. Maybe she'll come up later. I gotta go bench press my weight.